Welcome back, guys. I hope you have a good days. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can make $100 or more every single day for free using free website. Watch the video. If you like this video, leave a like and leave a comment. I like these videos, and I will create content like this one every single day. First, website number one is a ClickBank. If you can able to join ClickBank. Otherwise, you can use alternative, which is Digistore24, JVZoo, or Warrior Plus, guys. After you sign into ClickBank, click Marketplace. Then click this search icon, and it will bring all the top selling product on ClickBank. Now, before you pick a product, first go through each of the product and find the one you want interest. Then what you do, go to Google Trend and search that product. In this case, I am picking smoothie diet, and if I search on the Google Trend, as you can see, it is always trend worldwide. Don't target United States or UK, target worldwide, because there's a lots of people buying things online, particularly digital products. And you can see there's always trend, and you can see this the smoothie diet trend will go up during this month and next month. So you can promote this product and you can make money from it. So how you can promote this product for free? This is why I'm going to show you a free method. First, what you do, go to Canva and create your free account with it. This is where you're going to create content for it. There's a link in the description. Create your free account with it, and you can use a free account for this method. After that, what you do on Canva, because you are promoting smoothie related product, on the right hand side, click this one called video section. On here, if you search for smoothie on here, there's lots of royalty free videos are here to use. So you can pick anything that you want. So I put it on here. So some simple video. Now in this video, first video on talking about mango smoothie. So what I did is I went to website like any website. They talk about cooking's related website where you can get this smoothie diet plans or smoothie diet ingredients, how to make those smoothie. That you can see here, simple ingredients. So what you do, copy that and put it under the videos like this one. On the bottom, you're gonna put like this one, learn about smoothie diet, and you're gonna put simple animations like this one. And you can see if you play the video, simple video is ready. Under 20-second or 30-second videos is ready, guys. You can create these kind of videos less than 10 minutes. So you can create 5-6 videos under 1 hour, because content is important, and more than that, video content is more important, and it will converse better than pictures and text, guys. So always remember that video is better than pictures and text and articles. This video is around 6 seconds long, so I copy that 3 times to make 20-second videos. Now what I do, after video is downloaded, this is your content. So you have to work smarter now, not harder, work smarter. So you have a content, you need to put that into multiple different websites to get traffic for your product. Go to YouTube and install a plugin like TubeBuddy and videocreek and find any keyword for your product. So if I search for smoothie diet, so I can show you that smoothie diet is highly competitive keyword. 51 out of 100 is still best, and 156,000 searches per month. But if you are new channels, it's a little bit harder to target. But if you search for smoothie to lose weight, something like that, because you are giving ingredient how to do smoothies, and you can see which is 71 out of 100, very good, and 64,000 searches per month. So you can easily rank on YouTube. Even better, you are making shorts videos, so you can rank much faster than any other big videos, guys. All you have to do is, you can see lots of people uploading short smoothie diet videos similar to that. You can see 40-second, 24-second, 59-second. Look at the views, 290,000 views, 1.1 million, and you can see this is around 2.5 million. You can see this short video, 796 recently published video, still ranking number 3rd on YouTube, guys. Now all you have to do is create a simple video using Canva. You don't have to have any big softwares to create these videos. You can use Canva to create these videos, upload it on YouTube as a short videos. And the second one is TikTok, and you can see people are uploading smoothie related videos. They're making a videos and you can see 2.9 million, 13 million views, 20 million views, and you can see there's millions of views for simple 60-second videos. When you come to TikTok, don't put that content on your own profile. Create a specific profile for your product. So if you want to promote smoothie diet or smoothie related product, just create a TikTok page on smoothies, then upload those videos so you can get the targeted audience for the product. The same thing you're going to do with the Pinterest. You can see there's lots of people uploading pins. Now Pinterest is allowing videos, so you can upload those videos and you can get higher conversion for that videos. You can see people uploading videos on smoothies and they are getting millions of views from this pin. And also you can repeat the same method with Instagram Reels, and you can see you don't even have to create a specific video for Instagram. You can create the same videos, you can upload it on here, and you can put the bio, or you can put the affiliate link on the bio, and you can convert that into paying customer. ClickBank affiliate links can be put it on YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram without getting blocked. So certain affiliate links are blocked from these social medias. You can put them on a bio section, but ClickBank affiliate link is allowed to put on any of these bio sections without any issue, guys. So you don't even have a landing page or website in order to promote this product. So what you do, find a product on ClickBank and search for if there's a trend for that product. If there's a search volume every single month, go ahead, use a Canva to create a content surrounding that using free content. And what you do, then upload the same content into YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram Reels. So I hope you understand this make money online method. So like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment what kind of video you want to watch in the future. I will make that for you guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video.